Hey, good morning, folks, from Barron County, Kentucky. How's everybody doing today? Say, I got something new to show you here. I bought this from a place called the Reloaders Network. And it kind of looks like a little book. But inside this thing here is everything you need to reload 12 gauge shotgun shells. There's a little funnel. Has powder dippers. Got a shot measure in there. Basically everything that you need to reload. I don't want to take it all out right now, but it's got a sizing ring for your brass. Everything you need. Kind of nice to have just in case you do want to reload your own 12 gauge. You can just do it right at the range if you want to try different powders and different shot and other things, or just throw it in a kit, a grab and go kit, so you can reload on the run. Anyway, like I said, I got this at the Reloaders Network. One thing I will say is the guy was pretty slow at shipping things out. I ordered it on the 5th of this month, and I hadn't heard nothing in a week. I didn't get no email saying it was shipped or nothing, and there was no email address on the Reloaders Network to get a hold of him. He goes by the name of Loads of Bacon, I think it is. Or yeah, Loads of Bacon. Anyway, I found his YouTube website, and there was an email address there, and I found him on Facebook, so I got a hold of him that way. And on the 14th of the month, remember I ordered it on the 5th. On the 14th, he told me he was sorry for the delay. He had just moved, it wasn't reset up or nothing yet, and he said he should have the order out that day. That was on the 14th. Did he ship it on the 14th? Nope. Did he ship it on the 15th? Nope. On the 15th at night, I got an email from him with a, I should say on the 14th, I got an email from him, and it said that it had a tracking number. So I looked up the tracking number, and all he did really was print out a label for it. He didn't bring it to the post office, and he didn't bring it the next day either on the 15th. He finally shipped it out on the 16th, and then I got it a few days later. So, you know, it is what it is. He did send the product. It does look pretty decent, but like I said, he's a little bit slow on his shipping, so something to take into consideration. Anyway, folks, when I finally get to use this thing here, I'll do another video on it showing how it works, and I'll show you all the tools and stuff. But it's just a compact reloading kit for 12 gauge. Hope all you guys are doing well. Hope you're having a great summer. I'm looking forward to fall and getting out in the woods and maybe getting some critters this year. Have a great day, folks. Have a safe weekend. God bless you all. Take care.